5 breeds of dogs with blue eyes, a genetic predisposition. Where do blue eyes come from? Although our doggy friends have mainly brown eyes, it is not uncommon to come across a mint-eyed dog in the water. How does it happen? Well, know that there are 4 factors that can cause a dog to retain blue eyes into adulthood. The first factor is the migration of failing cells. It simply means that the cells fail to play their role and ensure the pigmentation of the iris. The merle gene that is very often found in the Australian Shepherd, to name just one, is also a factor that can cause a dog to have blue eyes. Indeed, as we saw in a previous article, the merle gene inhibits certain parts of the dog's coat and eye pigmentation. Albinism is also a favorable factor for blue eyes. Genetic and hereditary disease, it causes, as in other species, a decrease or a total absence of melanin production. Finally, it may be a gene that is unrelated to coat. This is called a recessive gene. The Siberian Husky, recognizable among 1,000 with its wolf-like appearance and its wild gaze, the Husky is one of the dogs that it is not uncommon to come across with blue eyes. Their eyes are very often piercing and incredibly clear, so much so that you could drown in them. Recently, a study showed that a mutation would be responsible for this predisposition. It would be a duplication of a portion of 98,600 base pairs of DNA on chromosome 18. The latter is close to the ALX4 gene, which plays a role in the development of the eye in mammals. The Australian Shepherd. Blue eyes are also very common in the Australian Shepherd. This is related to the merle gene we discussed earlier. Moreover, it is this gene which is also at the origin of their pretty tricolor color, which exists in 2 variants, blue and red. The Border Collie. A small dog originating from Scotland and known for its skills as a herding dog, the Border Collie is a dog loved by all. It is also the merle gene that predisposes him to blue eyes. The Corgi cardigans. Did you know that there are 2 variations of Corgi? The Pembroke is the best known, because it is the one with which the Queen of England fell in love. But the Corgi cardigan also has great qualities, including being able to display the beautiful merle color. It is therefore this gene that favors blue eyes in the breed. The Shetland sheepdog. Another dog straight from Scotland, the Shetland sheepdog is a small, elegant dog with long hair and a close cousin of the Border Collie. It is also the merle gene that promotes blue eyes in this breed.